Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we will see uh, a few ways we can visualize the elevations of our ground. Okay, so let's go ahead and select our contours, the surface as you have displayed. Just select the surface, select your ground surface and go to the surface properties, and here as we have already defined our surface style, edit it and go to the display. Here you have a lot of things that you can display, points, triangles, and other stuffs. And here we are mainly concerned with the elevation. Okay, so let's turn off that layer and say OK and say apply. So if maybe it will be visible. Okay, let's click OK and then see the full alignment. Let's see the full area. Okay, so here you can see from blue it turns black. Maybe in some of your display it may not be default. It may not appear. If it hasn't appeared, go to the surface properties and go to the analysis tab, and here number of ranges, and you just hit, you select the ranges, you can define it, and by default it's like 8 always. So I and just press this button and here you will have the range. But right now, as it is, it's all blue and black, from blue to black. So it's not quite appealing and it's difficult to view it. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make it more appealing. So for that, let's go to the information tab and from here, edit our surface style. Okay. And then go to the analysis tab and here go to the elevation, and in this elevation the range color scheme, select the range color. It's right now blues, so better we do make it into maybe red or rainbow. Okay, rainbow is better, so we have more colors. Okay, and in rainbow we have seven colors, so we put it 7 and say okay, and the surface analysis will come again and reduce it to 7, and then click this button, the downward arrow button, run analysis button, and just click it, and now you have this color. So we're gonna scale scheme to fit. Okay, so that all colors are used. Okay, and you have now distinguishing. So now let's apply it. Now you see it's better and it's distinguishable. So wait for a while as it refreshes. Okay, so you see now you have the elevation, but yet we don't know how much it is. So how to know that? So just select it and then go to the surface properties, and here you have a legend box. Okay, so from that we just keep it like this and just say have preview. Click on preview, so it will appear like that. So we can add a legend. If we can add a legend, then we know exactly how much is this elevation. This part, the red represents, and the other orange and other colors represents. Okay, so let's select the surface again and then go to the add legend button here at the top. Add legend, and then you have, right now we have elevations to display, so we click elevation and we want it to be dynamically linked, or maybe if you are about you are to change, then you can static, make it static and then later display another one. So let me select dynamic for time being, and we can display somewhere here. Okay, it will take some time to display. Okay, so now this has been displayed. But there's a problem with this. We have 7 intervals, okay, and they are unevenly distributed, probably, or evenly distributed. But it's not that intuitive. You have the area and the color, so you know from 300.02 to 305.31 is this part, okay. And similarly, from other colors, you can just refer which part is represents how much of elevation range. Okay, so even in the center here, you have higher elevation. Okay, so this is how you can visualize this. But there can be other ways to do it. Okay, so let's again select it. Let's enhance our method. Okay, so go to the surface properties again, and now here at create range by, you can select range interval also. Okay, so if we select by interval, it will be better for us to visualize. And let's put interval to 15 and our base elevation to 300. Okay, just 300. Okay, and then let's see if our 15, then let's run the analysis. Okay, so now there are 6 intervals and we scale scheme to fit so that it's more visible. Okay, so scale scheme to fit so it will be visible. Let's see the preview. Now we have the preview again. Okay, now let's apply this. Okay, and you see, so from this part to this part, the elevation, the change in elevation is only 15 meter. Okay, so this makes a lot more sense now, and it's easier. You see now here within this certain distance, it's a 15-meter difference. Here 15 meter, here 15 meter, and here 15 meter, and here 15 meter as well. So you go here, and this as it was dynamic. Okay, so let's do another change, and let's add a static table. Okay, let's add elevations and static, and then we just put it side by side so that we can compare later. Okay, okay, so this is static, this is dynamic. Let's now change something again. So if I want it to be, let's change the range. Let's change the interval. Okay, so select and then again go to surface properties, and here maybe I change it to 10 meters. Okay, and then we run analysis. Okay, and we have this range here, and now we have 9 intervals. Okay, and we say okay, and now everything will update. So let's say this part will also update, and you see here stack difference. This was static, so it remained as it was, but this changed. Okay, because it was dynamic table. So this is the difference when creating. Just pay attention to. Okay, so now here you see this part is 10 meters of difference. Here it's really steep, so here as well this part is steep parts. From this you can understand this. So this elevation analysis can be a very good tool for analyzing our original ground level on which we have to build the road. Okay, so this is how you can use this tool to analyze surfaces. Okay, and this is actually very useful. In the next tutorial we will see more tools how we can analyze our surface. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment to our videos. Have a great time. Bye.